Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about how we can mend and strengthen our relationships with people around us. There are very small little things which can make the relationship very cordial and affectionate. It is just the question of healthy mindset. Let us see how we can form our mindset in a positive way. There is a wonderful analogy about the honeybee and fly. It teaches us a valuable lesson to improve our relationships and the quality of life. The honeybee flies from one flower to another flower. What is its interest? Its interest is to extract the honey nectar without disturbing the flowers. The mindset of a honeybee is to seek the essence or sweetness of each flower. And as we know, even in a place filled with rotting garbage, it doesn't give any attention to the filth. What is its focus? Its focus is only on finding nectar. This way, it flies to even a single tiny flower, whether the flower is amidst a beautiful garden or a garbage. We have much to learn about the honeybee in our relationships too. The honeybee teaches us the art of focusing only on the positive things and dealing appropriately with the faults in each other. We all know that there are faults in everyone and everywhere. We have too many complaints. There is no shortage of it. But remember that just as the honeybee seeks nectar even in most unexpected of places, we can aim to seek only the positive qualities of those people around us. Now, in the other case, when we talk about the fly, it represents another type of mindset in a relationship. Although each species has appreciated for its particular instinctive nature, still we can learn many things or lessons from these little creatures to improve the quality of our own lives. Now the fly always focuses on sucking an infectious scab. Even the fly travels hundreds of flowers, but what does it focus on? It focuses on tasting garbage and excrement. The fly just ignores the sweet fragrance of rose and jasmine gardens. And even in the best of circumstances and in the cleanest places, the fly will only focus on trash. This represents the mindset of ignoring the good qualities in those around us and always keep focusing on their faults and flaws. It is very easy and it doesn't require efforts too to see the faults and flaws in others. We know fault finding is a habit. The more we do it, the more we become obsessed by it. We forget that in our relationship, it is important to have honest, well wishing, and quality communications. We should focus on appreciating and positive in people. It is not that we should ignore the negative things also. Rather, we should deal with the negatives in gracious and constructive manner. We should try to bring out the best in each other. When we start doing this, we learn to recognize the positive qualities within our own self as well as the people around us. This way, we can overcome our unhealthy, low self esteem. Now, friends, the honeybee mentality or the fly mentality, what do you choose? The choice is completely yours. Thank you.